Now that you're a Leatherman insider, here's how qualifying periods, points, and levels work. First, qualifying periods. Your 12-month qualifying period, the time when you can earn points, starts on day 1. Let's say you join on September 25th. Your qualifying period will start on September 25th and end on September 24th each year. Points and levels. You'll start at the select level, and the points you earn during your qualifying period level you up to Premier and Elite. You can earn, maintain, or downgrade your level based on points. Finally, do points expire? Your points are good for 1 year from your sign-up date. At the end of your membership year, they reset to 0. They don't roll over. But don't worry, you won't lose your level or benefits. In other words, if you're a Premier Insider when your points reset, you'll stay there. But if you don't earn any points during the next year after your points reset, you can lose your status. For more information about the Leatherman Insider Program, go to leatherman.com and click Insider Rewards Program.